Joe.
All right, so we got all the heels done.
Yes.
What's our next project?
Well,
Huh?
the stretching, I guess we could do stretching. I'm tired though. That's tiring. Aren't your hands tired?
Yeah, they're kind of sore.
Right. Even with the gloves, although you didn't wear gloves.
Yes, you reminded me about that a couple times. I'll go get them before we start our next task, of which I'm not quite sure what that is just yet.
It's
Washing windows? You want me to wash the windows now?
No, it's not going to be an easy task.
What is it?
It's going to be stretching. We're going to do some shoe stretching.
Okay.
Next. How do you feel about that?
I'm good with
It's
that.
pretty easy. You're a smart guy. It's been
All right.
handy having you around.
Okay, this has been quite eye-opening.
Cheers. How was your view of it? How did you feel as being never done it before?
I liked it. It's always good to learn new things, you know.
Yeah.
So,
That's what you were saying about tackling the videos, even trying to make your own video. I haven't had any experience on the video equipment, so it's going to be a whole learning curve for me.
yeah,
How to upload a video, post it to my YouTube channel.
right. Because you know you're going to need to get the video camera, a tripod,
Right.
and we're going to teach you how to upload.
Yeah.
You want to know how to do that,
That's
right?
exactly what I want to do.
Because you need to start making some extra money on something above and beyond what you're doing now.
Absolutely.
You know?
Yeah.
And what better way to do that with your YouTube channel? And I understand you have a website,
Yeah.
right?
Yep. And I think the YouTube is the wave of the future. I mean, you got in smart enough a few years ago,
Yeah.
and I think it's still cresting.
Yeah. It's a matter of whenever you think you have something you want to show somebody how to do, make a video of it.
Right.
You know, it doesn't have to be professional looking. Just do the best you can each time. You'll get better as you go,
Yeah.
and it will be fun.
Yeah, I like yours. Yours are very entertaining.
Okay. Well, you know what?
Gives me hope.
Some people like them. Some people hate them. They'll say, I just wasted 5 minutes of my life. Thanks a lot, Joe. Hey, you know,
That's funny.
I can't make a home run every time, and you know, a good batter has a 300 lifetime average. You know what that means?
No.
That means out of every 10 times they're up, they get 3 hits. That means 7 times they either strike out or they get out.
Right.
So, you know,
Right.
they're only as good as only hitting 3 times out of 10. That's, to me, sounds below average, right?
Exactly.
But here they are. That's considered really good. So don't get discouraged if you can't make a home run or a single or even a bunt on every one of your videos. You'll get better
Right.
and you'll learn.
I'm kind of sensitive. I hope they all make nice comments.
They're not going to make all nice comments. Sorry. Well, I mean, you're a girl. Maybe they'll give you nice comments all the time. More so than mine. Okay.
That's funny.
All right, you ready to do this?
Yeah.
Here, high five.
All right. Woo!